The Oahu Real Estate Market Update for April 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name is Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel, we explore real estate tips and strategies that help us make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then, I'll share the local market info for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. Stick around to the end when I'll share a tip for move-up buyers. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 593 homes sold, a 6% increase from 2023. For condos, closed sales are down 7% to 970 homes sold compared to last year. This month saw an increase for single-family homes compared to last month. The single-family home median sales price in March was $1 million, which is a 4% increase compared to last year. Condos are at $505,000, a 1% increase from last year. Single-family home prices have been on the uptrend since December. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 29 days on the market, 19% lower than last year, while condos are spending a median of 32 days, which is 28% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 871 single-family homes this month, which is a 10% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 1,761 condos this month, which is a 16% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have been increasing since December. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 769 homes, 4% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 1,205 homes in escrow, which is 1% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 2.7 months, 29% higher than last year. Condo months of inventory also increased to 4 months, 67% higher than last year. Overall, supply appears to be on an uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now at 581 homes, a 7% increase year-on-year. For condos, active listings increased to 1,493, a 30% increase year-on-year. Single-family homes active inventory has increased compared to last month. The percentage of list price received is now 98% for both single-family homes and condos. Single-family home sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 33% of total closed sales. About 98% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $300,000 and $400,000 accounted for 18% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher, which is less than 1% lower than last year. Overall, prices remained stable year over year, while pending sales and new listings saw a slight decrease compared to last month. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year to date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou, single-family home median price is now $1.6 million, and is based on 16 closed sales. Days on market are now 26. For Moana Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $624,000, which is a 3% drop from last year. Days on market are 45. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.3 million. Days on market are 41. Condo prices are now $500,000, and days on market are 21. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price is now $860,000, and days on market are 31. For condos, prices are now $670,000, which is 12% higher than last year. Days on market are 20. For Hawaii, single-family home prices increased to $1.7 million, which is 12% higher than last year. Days on market are 39. For condos, prices have decreased by 8% compared to last year, which is at $730,000 and 21 days on the market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home price is now $1.7 million, and days on market are 13. For condos, the median price is now $720,000, and days on market are 39. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $935,000, 11% higher than last year. Days on market are 10 days. On the condo side, median price is at $380,000, and days on market are 53. For Kaneohe, the single-family home price is now $1.2 million, and days on market are 16. For condos, the median price is now $737,000, and days on market are 37. For Kapahulu, Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is $1.4 million, and days on market are 16. For condos, the median price has decreased to $640,000, and days on market are 9. For Makaha, Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is $650,000, and days on market are 35. Condo median price increased to $300,000, and days on market are 41. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is $1 million, and days on market are 48. For condos, the median price is $580,000, and days on market are 19. For Makiki, Moiliili, the median single-family home price is $1.5 million, and days on market are 23. For condos, the median price is at $405,000, and days on market are 46. The Mililani median single-family home price is now $1.07 million, and days on market are 34. For condos, median price is at $520,000, and days on market are 24. The Moanalua, Salt Lake median single-family home price increased to $1.2 million, which is 5% higher than last year, while days on market are 11. For condos, the median price is now $430,000, and days on market are 44. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price increased to $2.1 million, which is 75% higher than last year. Days on market are 61 days. For condos, the median price is $935,000, and days on market are 13. For Pro City, Aiea, the median single-family home price is now $1 million, 12% higher than last year. Days on market are 30 days. For condos, the median price is $440,000, and days on market are 27. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is $835,000, and days on market are 33. For condos, the median price increased to $370,000, which is 28% higher than last year, and days on market are 10 days. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is $2.4 million, and days on market are 44. For condos, the median price is $585,000, and days on market are 61. For Waikiki condos, the median price is now $435,000, and days on market are 36. For Waipahu, the median single-family home price is $900,000, and days on market are 44. For condos, the median price is $520,000, and days on market are 33. The Windward Coast, the median single-family home price is $1 million, and days on market are 90 days. For condos, the median price is $350,000, and days on market are 29 days. This month, I'll share a clever strategy we use with a client to facilitate their upgrade to a more luxurious condo. The client, who had previously purchased their current condo, all cash, is now retired and lacks the income required to qualify for a loan for the next purchase. The plan involves selling the current condo and negotiating a brief post-closing occupancy period. This will provide them with enough time to receive the proceeds from the sale and make an all-cash purchase of their next condo. Achieving the right timing was crucial, and we successfully secured a contract for the next purchase contingent on the sale of their current condo. Since they were making an all-cash purchase, they were able to negotiate an exceptional deal, securing a discount of over $120,000 off the list price. At the time of this recording, the transaction is still pending, but if everything goes smoothly, they should be settled into their new condo by next month. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this strategy. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, click the subscribe button and the notification bell next to that. If you're ready to take the next step in making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.